How to add music to Instagram posts. Now that's what I'm going to show you guys in this step-by-step tutorial, because it's actually super easy to do and a lot of people nowadays do it, and it's actually a pretty cool update and it works very similar as adding music to your story. So first of all, you just want to create a post. So I'm just going to do that real quick, and then I'm going to select a picture. Now I'm just going to select this one just real quick for the sake of this tutorial and click on next. Now you have to also click on next, or you can do whatever you want. Then click on next, like I said. Then over here, you can see all of these options. So write a caption, tag people, add location, post on other Instagram accounts. And in the middle, you can kind of see like music. Now it will also give you like a couple of different like basic music options. But if you want to add your own one that is in the Snapchat library, then just click on add music. Then this will pop up over here, and here you can search for any song you would like to. I believe like most songs that are on Spotify are also on here, and sometimes even songs that aren't on Spotify will also show up here, or the other way around. But yeah, so you can search for anything you want. So you could, for example, search for Drake. You can even see the artist and then just scroll on their artist page, or just use for example this one, and then you can choose what part of the song you would like to use, which is also great. So let's say this part over here, and just click on next. Then over here, just want to add a caption or not, and just click on share. And there you go. This is now the post, as you can see, and with the song at the top under my name, you can see it right over there, and you can also hear it if you would watch it yourself. I'm not going to because of copyright, of course. But yeah, that's basically it. I hope this video helped you out. Let me know in the comments if it did, and then I will see you next time.